Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to install Microsoft Edge WebView2 Runtime. Open your browser, then type in this Microsoft Edge WebView2. After that, open this link. After this opens, scroll down, then go here where it says Evergreen Standalone Installer. Check your system. This is going to be a 32-bit or 64-bit. Check your system what it is, and then normally these days with the modern computers, they're usually 64-bit. So choose the 64-bit. After that, you need to agree. Yes, save. Once it's finished downloading, open it and run the program. Hey, you're done.